Hi, boys and girls. Today for math, we will be learning about halves. And one thing that you might not know about me, but I love pancakes. They are my favorite breakfast food. I love putting syrup on top of my pancakes, and sometimes I'll add chocolate chips or sometimes fruit, but it's just one of my favorite breakfast foods. And one thing that I've noticed since I've gotten married is I've noticed that I've had to share a lot with Mr. Kevin. And Mr. Kevin loves pancakes too. Sometimes there's only one pancake left, and we have to decide how we can share that pancake. And so, right here is a pancake. And so I want to share this pancake with Mr. Kevin because I'm really nice. And one thing I can do is I can cut this pancake in half. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this pancake and cut it right down the middle. And the reason why I'm cutting it down the middle is because I want to make sure that our shares, our pieces, are the same size. I don't want to get the bigger piece, and I don't want Mr. Kevin to have the bigger piece. I want it to be equal. So I did it right down the middle. So now I can get one piece, and Mr. Kevin could get one piece. Another way I could even share this pancake is cutting it from left to right. Let's see if that'll work, if they're the same. So if I cut this pancake from left to right, are these two shares equal? Yeah, they are equal. And so that's one way I can cut this pancake. And now that I cut the pancake, we have two equal shares. This could be my share, and this could be Mr. Kevin's share. There are different names that we can call one share. So this is my pancake. This is one share of my pancake. And I can call it a half. I can call it one half. Or sometimes we can say it's one out of two parts because this is one part of the pancake. And it's actually two parts. Kevin has the other part. And if Kevin and I were to put both of our shares together, we get one whole. Or sometimes we can call it two halves or two out of two parts. And not only can we divide in half circles, but we can divide other shapes. I can divide a square in half and have two equal shares. I can divide a rectangle in half and have two equal shares. And I can even divide a pentagon in half and have two equal shares. And so for math today, you are now going to open the other Google Slides and you are going to be dividing shapes in half. Just be careful. You want to make sure that both halves are equal. All right, have fun, first graders.